Today, Stella is going to learn how to bake bread with Mom. Mom teaches Stella how to measure each ingredient carefully. Now gently stir it together. Add a little flour.
Like this, Mommy?
Mom shows Stella how to knead the dough. Now we wait patiently for the dough to rise.
The bread goes into the oven.
The bread is ready! Now it's time to mix all the ingredients. Careful now, sweetie. အတူချက်တဲ့ဟင်းကအရသာလဲပိုကောင်းပြီးပျော်ရွှင်မှုလဲပိုများပါ Whisk Mixing bowl Spatula Peeler Mixing bowl Grater Measuring cup Mixing bowl Blender Kettle